How I made 2 lakhs in one stock in 1 year. To know the name of the stock, let's go inside. So the name of the company is TARC Limited. Let's study its financials. So the Anant Raj Corporation, it was a constructing and a contracting company, and it is like one of the largest real estate development companies. So I wanted to invest in real estate, as like real estate in India is growing, infrastructure is growing. So this was a good company to invest in. So its price is 217, but its low was around 82, high was around 230 rate. It doesn't have a really great ROC and ROE, but it had a good promoter holding, which is 65%. Its industry PE is 29%, and its PE is quite low. So I invested in this stock. If you look at its PE, it has, it's going a lot. Okay. So the reason I invested in this stock was because from minus 271 crores, it became a profitable company. So it was a turnaround story at that time. So I invested around 2022 or 2023 over here, and I got out around when its financial started to be a bit bad. I got out of it. So this was the area where I invested, and now it's turning negative. So I have exited this stock fully. You will see I've posted my profit screenshot down. Also, if you see, its sales were increasing. It almost doubled. So I invested in this era, and it became profitable. So this was the area where I invested in the stock. And promoters were also buying the stock. FII, DI also had some kind of like gain in the stock, but not much. From 0.02 it became 0.36, from 1.37 it became to 2.15, and this was the quarter where I took this stock. So now let's see its technicals. So if you see this stock, it was from here. When this high broke, I bought it around 60, and it never looked back, and I took it off around this price because its financial was going low. So I took it off around this price. Also, if you look, this is W pattern, not exactly W, it's like a small kind of a W. So if you see, it broke it up, it accumulated. So in last videos you saw accumulation, breakup, accumulation. If stock is good, then it usually breaks up, but if it's bad, it usually breaks down. So as per my rule, its fundamentals were getting bad, so I expected it to break down, so I exited it here. But this wick got me. I should have waited for the close, but I didn't wait for the close, and right now it's just going up. But this is not investment advice, and its financials are down. Look at the volume. Greens are too high, reds are too small, and look at this phase. This phase was like crazy, from 60 to 160 with such high volumes. It didn't give any chance for me to exit. Over here also, if you see, the red candles were there, the volume were too low, which gave me a technical signal that the stock will still go high, but fundamentally it was going down. So I had to exit it because I'm a techno funda. I use both for my analysis. But again, when it's going up with high volumes, it's coming down with low volumes. So still, technically, it still looks good to go up to it. It doesn't have any technical levels to go up to because there's no such, like a target. But let's see where it goes, or we can try to draw its Fibonacci also. Fibonacci, where's Fibonacci? Crazy. But this was my second stock where I got 2 lakhs. In DB Corp, I got around 3.5 lakhs, so 5.5 lakhs in 2 stocks. So we will analyze some other stock next time around. But as a gist of this video, this was mostly the breakout, which I took a trade, and it never gave me any chance to get out of this trade. So this was a monthly candle on its low. I took a trailing stop loss. If I would have waited for the monthly close, this would have not triggered, but that's a mistake, which I didn't wait for the closing of the candle, which we will correct in the coming trades. We will wait for the closing of the candle because it has again given good returns. 100% more could have been comparatively to TP Corp returns, which it has given right now, but we are out of this fully. So that's all for this video. In next video, we'll analyze the next stocks. So see you.